Most testers think Agile changed testing, but it didn't. Agile simply exposed who understands testing and who only executes. That's why many QA engineers feel confused after moving to Agile teams. Same skills, but suddenly things stop working. In traditional projects, testing happened at the end, but in Agile, testing happens everywhere, and that changes your role completely. The real problem isn't Agile speed, it's that execution skills alone are no longer enough. Agile rewards thinking before testing begins. Junior testers usually wait for stories, write test cases late, and start testing after development finishes. But in Agile, this makes QA reactive, not valuable. Whereas senior testers behave differently. They question requirements early, highlight risk during planning, and influence decisions before code exists. So in Agile, testing is not a phase, it's a continuous involvement. From backlog discussions to release decisions, testing happens everywhere. Most QAs struggle because Agile removes clear boundaries, roles overlap, decisions move faster, and ownership becomes shared. And in stand-ups, junior testers report what they tested, whereas senior testers talk about risk, blockers, and release impact. That difference changes how teams see your value. This is very interesting and important. Execution sits at the bottom, whereas risk awareness sits in the middle, and the decision influences where senior testers operate. This is exactly what interviewers evaluate silently. Not tools, not frameworks, but how early you start thinking about risk. And Agile doesn't need faster testers. It needs testers who think earlier than everyone else. So when QA participates early, defects reduce naturally because good testing prevents problems instead of discovering them late. So if you want to understand how senior testers decide what actually deserves testing and what should be skipped, that's what we'll break down in the next video. Let's talk about the Software Testing Mastery Program. Real projects experience, one-page cheat sheet after every lecture, and 30 structured videos for comprehensive learning. It gives you a clear roadmap to your software testing journey, from foundations to expert. If you want the complete real testing roadmap with real projects breakdown, interview framework, templates, one-page cheat sheet after every lecture, and structured roadmap of 30 videos, the course is live on Udemy as Software Testing Mastery, ISTQB plus Real World plus AIRI skill. The course link is on the screen and in the description as well. So if you are serious about growing your career in testing in a structured and complete way, I'll see you inside the course.